Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to start a presentation in Google Drive by starring it. Starring your presentations allows for faster access and organization, making your workflow more efficient. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. If you're using a computer, simply navigate to drive.google.com. Once you're in the app, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Next, you need to find the presentation you want to star. Scroll through your files or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Once you've found your desired presentation, look for the 3 vertical dots next to it. This icon represents additional options. Now go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This action will open a menu with several options related to that specific file. Among these options, you will see Add to Starred. Click on this option to star your presentation. After clicking Add to Starred, you'll notice a small confirmation that your file has been starred. This means it's now easily accessible whenever you need it. You can find all your starred presentations in one convenient location. To view your starred presentations later, simply return to the main interface of Google Drive. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Starred. Click on it, and there you have it. All your starred files, including the presentation you just added, are right there for quick access. Starring files is not just about convenience. It helps keep your important documents organized and within reach. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or just need to revisit a presentation, starring makes it simple. In summary, starring a presentation in Google Drive is straightforward. Open the app, find your file, click the 3 dots next to it, and select Add to Starred. With just these few steps, you can enhance your productivity and streamline your access to important presentations. Thank you for joining me today. Now you're ready to efficiently manage your presentations in Google Drive. Happy presenting!